Hello everyone, welcome to the Python course for beginners. My name is Sanjeev Kumar Prajapati. I am your Python course instructor. I have my specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So let's see the course overview. So I will cover these topics in this course: introduction of Python, syntax, data types variables, typecasting and string manipulation, and some operations also. Operators like different type of operators like arithmetic operators, relational operators, and bitwise operators, membership operators, identity operators. These all operators we cover in this particular section. After that, we learn list and its some inbuilt functions also, set and tuples, dictionary, and its operation also. Next is condition execution statement like if else and ladder if else statements. And after that, we learn loop like for loop and while loop. Then after that, we cover functions and its type like function with parameter, function with returning values, function keys word requirement functions and default parameter functions, function inside function. This type of function we cover in this particular section. Okay. Next is we learn class and object, file handling, inheritance and its type like multiple inheritance, single level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hybrid inheritance. These type of inheritance we cover in this particular section. Next is try and asset method. After that, we learn modules, how to create your own modules, and finally, we work with some inbuilt module like date module. Okay. After that, we learn array and its functionality also. Then we learn most three popular library is known as NumPy is basically used for scientific as well as statistical calculation in Python. Next is pandas is basically used for data manipulation. We get the relevant information from this particular data set. That's why we use pandas library. Next is matplotlib. So we use that particular library for a data visualization purpose. My how my data is looks like. Then after that you have one assessment on the basis of these topics. Okay. So thank you. See you in the course.